So, hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education class. So, today we are going to solve one leap problem from Shami's book. So, for solving the leap problem from Shami's book, we have to understand two kinds of leap that are credited in our leave account from our leave account. Okay. So, in leave account, two kinds of leave are credited in general, EL and HPL. Okay. So mm, earned leave. So one is called your earned leave and another is called half pay leave. So one is called your earned leave. So earned leave is credited for 15 days on every 1st January and 1st July. Okay, 1st January and 1st July. So the 15 days are credited in advance. Okay, so let us suppose on let's suppose on say for the date 2001 2023. So for on 1/1/2023, 15 days 15 days will be EL will be credited for the period from 1/1/2023 to 36 2023. Then on July again 15 days will be credited in advance for the period from 1st July to 1st July to 31st December. Okay, so 15 days are credited well in advance. And another doubt may arise, for what about for fraction of a year? So in this case, the earned leave is credited for 5 by 2 days, 5 by 2 days for each completed month. Okay, each completed month or months. Okay, so let's suppose one employee joins, or this is the case for both retirement case and joining case. The same applies. Let's suppose on 25 March 2023, let's suppose someone joins, then what will be the credit for up to credit for the employee up to 36 2023? We know that on 1st July 2023 15 days is credited. So for what about the credit of the EL for this particular period? So it will be completed, it will be calculated as it will be calculated as we have to see the number of months, completed months, he will work. So 25 3 2023, this month is not a completed month, so we'll ignore this month. Then we have to see he will work for April, May and June. So 3 months he will be working. So the number of days will be calculating as 5 by 2 into number of completed months, April, May, June. Okay, 3 5 3 is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 7.5 will be rounded to 8 days. Okay, so 8 days credit will be given if someone joins on 25 3 2023 for a fraction period, for a particular half year. The same applies for retirement also. Another point in earned leave is earned leave can be accumulated up to 300 days. Okay, and for extraordinary leave. Okay, extraordinary leave or diaznone, in both the cases 1/10 of EL credit will be reduced. Let me give a example. uh, First we have to rub this. Okay, let me rub this. So the rule says the credit of EL will be the credit of earned leave EL will be reduced by 1/10 of extraordinary leave or dash none, whatever the case, during the previous half year. Okay, during the previous half year. So let's suppose we'll be crediting the leave EL of an particular employee. Okay, so let's suppose there was a diagonal period for 20 days in the previous half year. Let's say on December from 1st December 1st December 2022 to 2012 2022, he was on, there was a diagonal period. Okay, so how will we will calculate the credit of the EL on 1/1/2023? So we have to first reduce the number of days will be reduced. Okay, 1/10 of number of days diagonal taken 20. Okay, so 2. So 2 days will be reduced from 15 days credit. Okay, so see he will be he will be getting 13 days credit on 1st January 2023. So EL is basically this. Then let's come to HPL. HPL is half pay leave. Okay, if anyone takes half pay leave, then he will be given half the salary. So in case of half pay leave, earlier in case of EL, we were crediting 15 days. So in case of half pay, it is 10 days credit is given on every half year on 1st January and 1st July. Okay, and in case of diagonal, not in EOL will affect only EL. Okay, a diagonal will affect both HPL and EL. So in case of diagonal, 1/18 days will be of number of diagonal period will be reduced. And one more point is, in earlier case in EL we have seen 5/2 days of credit, 5/2 days of credit for number of completed months we were giving for EL. So in case of HPL it is 5/3 days, 5/3 days. Okay, so this much is needed for calculation, for solving the problem. Okay, so let's go and solve the problem. Before that, let me rub this. Okay, so the question says, prepare the leave account of Mrs. X, senior accounts officer, in the pay matrix at level 9 from the following particulars and determine the leave at credit on 30/9/2020. So she may be gone for retirement on that this very date, on that very date. So we will be calculating the leave at credit as on 39/2020. So leave at credit wa- is given as per 1/5/2015 is EL 210 days and HPL these days. So we will be focusing on EL and HPL. Secondly, it said availed maternity leave on 1/3/2015 to 13/7. This will not have any effect on our EL and HPL account, leave account. Okay, so there is separate account is maintained for maternity leave, child care leave, and so on. So this will not hamper or affect the our leave account. So, third point says it continuation of above availed commuted leave. So commuted leave is basically uh, 2 times of HPL. So for every commuted one commuted leave, 2 days of HPL is deducted. Okay, so commuted leave 2 days is deducted. So in continuation of above availed commuted leave for 18 days, 18 days commuted, it will have effect on our HPL account. Availed EL on this period, so it will have effect on EL. Was on deputation to another station for 1 year from 1/12/2016 to 30/11/2017 and availed 8 days joining time against the admissible time of 15 days both ways while proceeding to other station and on returning to old station on repatriation. Okay, so it says that on 1/12/2016 he has gone for deputation and he has returned to the parent division or parent office on 30/11/2017. In both ways, instead of 15 days joining time he has availed on he has availed only 8 days. So so he he has not availed a, 7 days joining time, and so this 7 days joining time may be credited to earned leave account in both ways. For that means on joining he has availed 8 days instead of 15 days, and on returning also he has availed only 8 days instead of 15 days. So 7 days credit will be given both on December 2016 and December 2017. Next point is availed EL from this date and followed by commuted leave up to this. So it will have effect on EL account and followed by commuted leave means it will affect on HPL account. Was under suspension from 1/5/2022 and to 15/6/2020. The period was later treated as extraordinary. So extraordinary leave we have seen that 1/10 of EOL taken will be having effect on earned leave. Okay, EL. If it said does none, then it would have effect on both EL and HPL. This we have to remember. On 1/12/2018, she legally adopted a child and the age of the child was 7 months. This will not have any effect. Child adoption leave from this will not also not have any effect. Able CCL 31 days. This will also not have any effect. She able special leave in continuation with inquiry on sexual harassment 31 days. This is also not required for EL calculation. So let us proceed, and before that let me wrap this out. So debit credit on 1 5 2015. So let me take a blank page. Okay, so we'll be writing, first we'll create earn leave account. We'll write EL account, sorry, EL account. Okay, so there will be period, we'll write period, then earned, number of days earned, then availed days, and then balance. So we are given credit as on 1 5 2015. It is given as 210 days. Okay, then after that he has taken EL on which date? uh yeah, yes, EL from 16/8 2015 to 31/8 2015. So 16/8 2015. So before that one, after 1 5 2015, on July he has to be given 15 days credit. Okay, so 1 7 15, there will be credit, 15 days credit will be given, it will be 225. Okay, then on 16/8 2015 he has taken earned leave for up to how many up to which date? 31/8 15. Okay, it is 16/8 to 31 day is 16 days, so 16 days will be less from 2 to 5, it will be 209 days. And then let us go and see what happens with EL account later. After that, on deputation, that means on 1 12 2016, on December 2016 he will be getting 7 days credit of JT, because instead of 15 days he has credited, he has taken only 8 days of EL. So December 2016. Before that, on January 2016 and July 2016. July, it will be 07 16 in both days, 15 days into 2, 30 days will be credited, so it will be 239. Then on December 2016, unavailed JT will be given, unavailed joining time, it will be 7 days, 246 days. Okay, so let us go to the next page. 240 days, 246 days up to December 2016. So we'll again write here period, then earned, these are basically days, then availed days, and then balance. So after that, on which date he has taken JT? uh, it was on December, after 30/11/2017 he has taken JT. So this will be December 2017, and after that he has taken EL on 26/12 to 7/1/2018. So last JT was taken on December 2016, then on January 2017, and July 2017. 15 days into 2 earned leave will be credited. So 30 days, previously it was 246 days. So after 30 days credit, it will be 276 days. Then on December 2017, another unable JT will be unable JT. Joining time will be given 7 days. It will be 283 days. Okay. After that, he has taken EL from 26/12 to 7/1 to the 26/12/17 to 7/1/2018. But on 1/1/2018, means January 2018, 15 days will be credited. So we'll split the period. So we'll write like this: 26/12/17 to up to the last day of the month, 31/12/2017. So it will be 26 to 12, it will be 6 days. So it will, he is availing 6 days, so we'll deduct, it will be 277 days. Then we'll give him credit. Okay, 1/1/2018, how many days? It will be 15 days. So 15 days, it will be 290 days. Then we'll again write from 1/1/2018 to 7/1/2018. So we have basically splitted the leap, just because we have to enter this thing. So he was having leave from 26 to 7, and we have to split this, because we have to give credit on 1/1/2018. So it will be 1 to 7 is 7 days. So it will be 285 days. Then let us see what is the next case that will affect EL. Okay, we have done this. Then EL for 20 days on 24 to 14/3/18. Okay. So we'll write 24 to 2018 to 14/3/2018. How many days will it will be? It will be heavy. It will be 20 days. 265 balance. So 265 balance. So let us go to next page. We'll write period and number of days, availed days, and then balance. Okay. So 265 days, there is a balance of 265 days. Okay. Then what happened? Let us see. EL for 20 days, we have entered this. Then was under suspension on from 1/5/2018 to 15/6/2018. This period was stated at EOL. Okay, so 1 5 2018 to, so this will have the effect on the credit on 1 7 2018. So we will take previous half years EOL or Dyson. Okay, so this will impact the credit on the next uh, accumulation of EL. So 1 5 15 1 5 2018 to 15 6 2018, we have to calculate number of days first. So 1 5 2018, March May month is having 31 days. Okay, and then 15 6 May June 15 means 46 days. 46 days was of EL. So 46 days of EL. So let us go to the problem. Okay, so on 1 7 2018, yes, so 50 days credit generally we have to give, but we have to less the 110 of 46 days, so it is 4.6 days. So we'll subtract this 4.6 days. So 15 minus 4.6 is 10.4 days. So 10.4 is basically 10 days. Okay, so instead of 15 days we will be giving 10 days credit, so it will be 275 days. Then let us see whether there is any other EL or not. Was under suspension, so there is no such no any EL deduction to be made from this from his account, and we will be giving him credit up to 39 2020. So 1 7 we have already given. Then on 1 1 19 15 days will be given, so it will be 15. Okay, then 275 plus 15, it will be 290 days. Okay, then 1 7 19, another 15 days credit, so there will be 15. There will be, in this case we will write 290 plus 15 days. Okay, so basically up to 300 days accumulation can be given. So actually 300 plus 15 we can consider, but up to 300 days can be accumulated. The how this thing will be adjusted, let us see. So 1 7 19, there is 15 days credit, we'll write like 290 plus 15. Basically after 285 days of credit we'll start writing 285 plus 15, 286 plus 15, this way. So here is 290, so 290 plus 15 will be writing. So while crediting on next half year, that is on 1 1 20, before that, just before one day, we'll write 31 31 12 19. We'll bring this down to 300 days, as he has not availed any leave, so we'll be giving him 300 days. Okay, we'll treat the 290 plus 15 as 300, because maximum accumulation can be given 300 days. So 1 1 20, again 15 days credit will be given, so we'll write like 300 plus 15 days. Okay, again before on 1 7 2020 also there will be 15 days will be given. So before that, on 30 6 2020 will be will give 300 days instead of this 15 days actually nullifies. So 1720 he is going to retired, or we are given calculation to calculate as on 39 2020 na. So there will be July, August, September. Okay, 39 full month is given. So there will be full 3 months. So our calculation will be 5 by 2 into number of completed months is 3. So basically this will be 5 3s are 15 by 2 is 7.5 days. 7.5 days is equal to 8 days. So there will be 300 plus 8 days. Okay, so this is our answer, 300 plus 8 days accumulation as on 39 2020. So this is our EL account. This is how EL account is prepared. So next we will see how to prepare HPL account. So for HPL account you will write HPL account. Okay, so again we will write period and number of days, then availed number of days, and then there is balance. Okay, so credit as on 1/5/2015 is given. It is 346 days. Okay, after that he has taken 18 days of commuted leave. Okay, so one commuted leave is equal to 2 half HPL, we know, and every half year 10 days of HPL is credited. So credit as on 1/5/2015 is given. After that he has taken commuted leave on which date? Let us go and see again. It is on 14/7. Yes, 14/7/2015. So 18 days calculation will be given from 14/7/2015. So 14/7/2015 to there will be 18 days. So up to 14/7, yes, up to 31/7/2015. So we write commuted leave for 18 days. So number of days HPL availed, it will be 18 into 2, 36 days. So balance we have not written, 346 days. So it will be okay, I'm sorry, after 1/5/2015 we have to grade credit on 1/7/2015 also. So on 1/7/2015 10 days will be credited, it will be 356 days. Then on 14/7 there will be 18 days commuted leave, it will be treated as 36 days HPL. So it gets 356 minus 36, it will reduce to 320 days. Then let us see what is the next impact on HPL account. So avail DL, there is nothing, followed by another commuted leave from 8/1/2018 to 25/1/2018. So before that on 1/1/16 there is a credit, then again on 1/7/16 16, then 1 1 17, then 1 7 17, then on 1 1 18, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 into 10 days credit, that means 50 50, so it will be 370 days. Then on 8 1 18 to 25 1 18, there is commuted leave for 18 days, commuted leave for 18 days. So 18 days will be for 18 days it will equals to 36 days of HPL na. So it will be 370 minus 36 is 3 3 3 34 334 days. Then let us see, is there any impact on HPL account. So after that EAL was under suspension, so there is EOL, no effect on HPL, so there is no impact on HPL. So we have to calculate up to as on 39/2020. So there is a balance of 334 days. So let us take again a blank page. So again HPL account, so there is period and days, then availed days, then there is a balance. Okay, so we know 334, there was a balance of 334 na, 334 as on January 2018. Okay, so after that on 1/7/2018 there will be credit, then again on 1/1/19 there will be credit, then 1/7/19 there will be credit, then 1/1/2020 there will be credit. So 40 days credit will be given, so it will be 374 days. After that on 1/7/2020 will give proportionate credit. So proportionate credit up to 39/2020 proportionate credit. So for EL we uh, we were crediting 5/2 days. For HPL we will be crediting 5/3 into number of completed months, that means from July, August and September. Okay, July, August and September, 3 months are there, so it will be 3/3 get cancelled, so 5 days will be given credit, so it will be 379 days. So this is your HPL up to 39/2020. So that's all friend, thank you.